Hi,
For Andy?
I'm Andy, yeah?
Oh yeah, I'm here to pick up something for the boss, Turk. I got a camera here, I'm vlogging, so is that okay?
That's okay.
Okay. That's okay. Okay, pumayag daw sila. Sir, you are in the vlog, so is that okay in the vlog?
Oh, whatever.
Yeah.
I'm just asking because I don't want some...
But you gotta go pick up a load?
Yeah, load. Yeah, I'm going to pick up a load. This one is just for the boss of Turk.
Will they get upset you got a load in there with other stuff? Check your truck.
Inside?
Oh, they're for the boss.
Yeah, for the boss.
the
It's for
boss.
the boss. It's for the boss. That's the thing. It's for the boss.
It's for the Turk man.
Yeah, it's for the boss.
Manitoba man.
Eh, the Manitoba man yan. Alright you guys, once again it's Lakay Drago here, no? Nagbabalik tayo. At ang current location na natin dito is nandito na tayo sa sa Ocean Trailer Delta. Sa mga nakasunod, no, yung pangarga natin galing ng Ontario, na-deliver na natin dito sa Soribise. Ayun nga, natikitan tayo ng pulis, dumaan tayo sa bahay, lumusong tayo ng Vancouver sa Rocky Mountain. Ayun, naka-deliver na ako kanina. Inutusan ako ng dispatch ko rito para pick upin yung isang box daw para sa para sa boss. Tapos after this, pupunta ako ngayon sa pick up ko, pauwi na ng Winnipeg. Enter guys. Alright. Okay. O yun, tama-tama, tinix na sa akin yung load information ko. Ano ba to? Friday alas 11. February 40, makakauwi pa pala ako ng ito information na binigay sa akin. Makakauwi pa pala ako ng Winnipeg para sa para sa Valentine's Day. Hello sir. Good sir. I'm looking for Andy. Yeah, but Torque asked me to come here to talk to Andy. Only Andy picking up something for Dave, for the boss of Turk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just give him a couple seconds.
The boss of Turk.
Yep, he's coming back.
Okay. Ito yung mga dito pa pala, oh. Tingin-tingin nga na kayo dito ng mga kung ano. Para sa truck. Ito, harapan ng recliner. Ay, hindi recliner yan. Yung Reaper pala to, Reaper. Window shopping lang tayo ng mga gamit ng mga... Ito, tools. Ano ba meron dito? Kompleto.
Hi,
For Andy?
I'm Andy, yeah?
Oh yeah, I'm here to pick up something for the boss, Turk. Enterprise for Dave.
Oh, yeah. You got the trailer on that side?
Yeah, it's in this side. Is it handy?
It's a skid.
Oh, on his skid?
Yeah.
Okay. So where do you gonna put it? In...
In the back of your trailer.
But I am going to picking up something.
Well, Dave must know how much you're picking up. There must be room for it.
Yeah, it's a lot of room. So how is that? You gonna put in this only in
I'm
par?
going to show you what you're picking up.
Okay. I got a camera here. I'm vlogging. So is that okay?
That's okay.
Okay. That's okay. Okay, pumayag daw sila.
Go get lanyards are coming.
Oh, do you have a loading dock there? Oh, it's right there.
We can drive around here. We can just lift it in too. But this is parts.
Oh, this one?
No.
This
Oh,
one?
This one. So it's all small stuff inside, but it's all parts for his Cadillac.
Oh, this everything?
Everything, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so I'm in there. So what do you want me to do?
You can drive around and pull up here and we'll load it in.
Okay. So
you go
first,
around the building and
go.
Yep,
Okay,
yep.
sure.
Yep.
Let's go.
They all got slime.
Alright, sir.
You get your hands
That's me.
dirty looking at them.
Doon sa kabila pala tayo dadaan. Alright guys, akala ko isang box lang bubuhatin, isang ano rin pala. Lumagpas ka na, huwag mo na akong antayin. Doon, iikot ako doon guys. Akala ko isang malit na box lang. Yung pala, isang malaking box na kung ano, ng mga parts ng mga sasakyan daw. Mga parts daw ng sasakyan. Tara, punta tayo doon sa ano, sa may likuran nila. Picking up something for the boss. Alright guys, andito na tayo. Teka, ayan na yata yun. May tiks ang aking dispatch dito. May tiks ang dispatch ko. Teka.
It's a box.
Is that the one?
Yeah.
My dispatch texted me. Because I told him, I thought it's only just a one box that just throw it into the trailer, but unfortunately it's the one skid. So he told me here, hang on, don't load anything. Just give me a second, okay?
Yeah, it's because it's Turks. It's for head, personal stuff. It's all.
Yeah, it's personal stuff for the boss, okay.
Yeah, for the boss.
I'm gonna move a little, so once it's they okay, then gonna put something. Picturean ko tapos isend ko nga sa kanya para makita niya. Ito yon, ito. Hindi naman pwede kayang itong buhatin yung isa tapos yung pagpatong-patungin. Buddy, you think we can pick up the only those guys here in the side? We don't need the whole thing.
No, if you don't want the whole thing, that's fine.
Okay, so I will tell to my
We just put it in here because we didn't want to wreck it and all that.
yeah, it's for personal some stuff, eh?
That's your big boss's stuff from our big boss.
This is our big boss is stuff from your big boss. I will text my dispatch.
We got your boss on the phone.
Yeah,
Listen, Dave, we're gonna put it in a cab.
yeah, you can put it in my truck.
Yeah. Yeah. This might be the only thing that might be a little large.
Oh,
This should go. Yeah.
this is only right.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Can we just line up in the side only? I think it's. I don't have any space in the cab.
Oh, he thinks you do.
You can check my truck if you wanna see.
Told you.
How? Yeah, we can just pick up this and then put into the side in here. It's not gonna consume a lot of space, right? It's only two boxes. We don't need the whole thing.
No, this.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Hold on, I'm just gonna talk to the boss here. If he want to, what he want. Oh yeah, it's gonna fall. Are you thinking about in here in my truck? There's no space.
Got no room in here?
No, there's nothing in there, sir. It's all my stuff in there for me. So only thing that we can
Throw it here.
only thing that we can do is just pick up those boxes in that line up there. Sir, you are in the vlog, so is that okay in the vlog?
Oh, whatever.
I'm just asking because I don't want some.
But you gotta go pick up a load?
Yeah, load. Yeah, I'm going to pick up a load. This one is just for the boss of third.
Will they get upset you got a load in there with other stuff?
Hold on, my
That's why you gotta be careful with. That's why you might not be able to put it in there.
that's why I'm texting my dispatch.
Yeah, it's gonna be on the phone again.
Because you don't want, again, they probably don't want shit with the load.
It
Why don't we, because you probably can't put it in the load. But the problem is. Here, we'll do that.
text ko yung boss ko.
No. No, you can't put it in the trailer. No, I'll get it here. I'm interested. I'll tell you now. We put a couple of ratchets on it. You fucking fine. Don't worry about it. Let me take care of this. How about you get skid, Bob? Put it on the Hey, boss.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna put it on the deck of your truck.
Inside?
You can't put it in your truck. You're not allowed.
They're not allowing in my truck.
No.
Hopefully it will work
Not allowed.
in inside my truck.
That's where they want to put it. But if you got no room, we'll put it here. We'll tie it down.
Or you gonna put?
And we'll wrap it.
Oh, we'll see in my inside my truck here.
Whatever you can put in your truck, do. Whatever you can't, we'll put here.
Oh, sure, sure.
You tell me what you want to do.
I will check inside my truck if I have a room here.
You can't put it in the trailer. Not allowed.
They're not allowed, yeah. Oh, text yung dispatch ko. They said to me, we can just put into the tail in here. Just only a few piece.
Are you okay?
Yeah, that's what the dispatch said. Yes, only 1, 2. They're not gonna consume the whole thing.
But it's small. We'll put it in a smaller pack.
Yeah, here. Put in here.
Okay, what we'll do is we'll wrap it.
Yeah, wrap those. We don't need the skid. Yeah, just line up in here. Line up in here. We don't need the whole skid.
You're gonna have to put that inside the truck.
Yeah,
You
sure.
put that inside the truck in the grill.
These two.
Yeah, those
The
are
box,
okay.
3 boxes put in the back there.
Yeah, here.
If you want to tie them down, you're more than welcome. Here, take those.
Yeah, if I need to tie, yeah.
If you need to tie it down.
Yeah.
Put those in your truck.
Take those to your truck.
They're for the boss.
Yeah, for the boss.
the
It's for the boss. It's for the boss. That's the thing. It's for the boss.
It's for the truck man.
Yeah, it's for the boss. Thank you.
The Manitoba man.
Yeah, the Manitoba man. Yeah, thank you. Just in this side only. If I need to remove them first before I get loaded into the pickup, I can do it so that they won't see.
Yeah.
And then once I get to Winnipeg, I just remove it and deliver.
You take care of it.
Yeah, got it, sir. Thank you.
You gotta throw them on your seat for a couple hours, then throw them in the back later.
Yeah. Okay, napag-utusan tayo ng para sa boss daw. Personal staff. Alright guys, dito lang muna ito. Para kung sakaling maludan ako doon, ibalik ko roon. Dito ko lang muna. Personal stop ng ano mga to? Para sa truck ito, para sa mga sasakyan. Personal stop ng ano. Wala tayong space pag yayamanin na ni boss kung saan natin may lagay. Tapos pagka naludan ako, ilagay ko rin sa ano, ilagay din natin sa. So ang mangyayari guys, kailangan anin ko na tong ano to, itrutro ko rin mamaya doon sa ano, higaan ko. Hindi pa ako nakakapagtupi kasi hindi kasi ako rest day ko kasi sa buhat-buhat ngayon guys, kaya yun ang ano, hindi ako nakapagtupi pa kasi gusto kong pahila-hilata. Okay, ganyan muna yan. Tapos pagka naludan ako mamaya, ilagay ko dun sa ano, ibalik ko dun sa labas yan. Ihagis ko dun sa loob. Yun ang boss ng may-ari ng company na to guys. Kahit narinig natin sinabi niya, pumayag naman siya sa ano, sa vlog natin. Dito muna, ilagay ko muna rito. Buti na lang alerto ang lakay tracker, may mga ganito. Pwede mong itaas talaga yung, pwede natin itaas talaga itong bed natin ito Mayroon din akong tali dyan, yan kasi dito talaga ako nag-exercise yan, para hindi siya sagabal dyan. Yan po na, yan muna. Yan muna. Mga binigay niyo sa akin panali, dyan lang muna. Picturean ko tapos send ko sa kanila. Alright. Diyan ka lang muna. Pangakunan ko dyan. Hindi na yan tapos baba tayo. Check natin yung paano ang sistema nila doon. Yun pala tatatlo lang pala send ko sa dispatch ko to. Thank you. Have a good day. Alright guys, ayan, message ko yung aking dispatch. It's all work out perfectly. Okay, so nag-reply siya. Okay, head to your pickup. Okay, let's roll guys. Patumpik-tumpik pa. Makakauwi tayo ngayong makakauwi tayo ngayong Valentine's Day. Sana umabot ako ng Valentine's Day. Kasi 12 ngayon, makapag-drive ako 13 14. 14. Let's go. Ocean trailer, yung pinaka-boss. Alright you guys, ayun, nandito na tayo sa pipikapan natin. Park muna tayo dyan sa side na yan. Yes! Punta ako dun sa washroom nila. Mag check in. Alamin natin. Kunin natin yung truck guys. May na-receive na akong text ng aking dispatch. Go in, back into door 1. Kita mo, hindi pa ako nag-check-in. Ginamit ko lang yung kanilang washroom. Sabi sa akin, go and back into door 1. Tara na. Ibaba ko muna yung aking mga boxes dun mamaya na para sa big boss. Tapos atras. Pagkatapos ibalik ko na lang ulit. Alright. Mabilisan lang para matapos na natin ito, makauwi na tayo. Alright. Door 1, door 1. Oops. Padaanin muna natin to kasi hindi to magkakasya. Kumbaga sa bigayan lang kasi masikip yan eh. Good? Okay. So, atras tayo dyan sa door 1. Wala naman, hindi naman natin alam walang pangalan ng company to. Kaya hindi ako pagbabawalan ng torque kasi walang pangalan na nakikita. Yan, door 1. Talaga yung mahirap na atrasan guys. Pasisitihin natin. Pasisitihin natin. Shitty dapat yan. Buksan ko, ibaba ko muna yung ano, mga kargamento. Baba muna natin itong mga kargamento ng tapos i-shot ko na lang yan mamaya. Ayo, anong mga to? Mga ano, mga bakal-bakal. Dito lang muna. May lisan lang ang trabaho natin. Sabay atras. Alright, sabay atras. Okay, yun. Tapos ito, may packing tip ako rito. I-packing tip natin ito para sabay hagis ko na lang dun sa ano, sa trailer mamaya. May packing tip dito eh. Kompleto tayo ng packing tip. Yan o. Personal staff ng big boss ng Turk o may-ari ng Torque. Okay. Para hindi magkahiwa-hiwalay. Ayan. Okay na yan. Hagis ko na lang sa loob ng trailer mamaya ito mga to. This thing not going anywhere na. Para maayos ko na rin itong higaan ko. Alright. Diyan ka lang muna. Tayo ka lang muna dyan. Yung mga barbo-barbelan ko. Nilagay ko sa loob ng truck yung personal ni boss. Yun. Ayan. Ayan guys. Okay, so ito, lagay ko ito sa ilalim. Oop. Alright, dyan ka muna. Hindi ko naman kailangan ngayon ng safety shoes. Oop, yeah. Okay. Now, dalhin natin ito sa baba para mamaya hagis ko na lang ito doon. Okay. Alright. Ayos. Okay. Okay. Yung guys, binigay ng papel, tapos na pala eh. Abante tayo at pagkatapos i-shot natin yung mga ano sa truck. Karga na tayo. Maskip kasi rito, atras muna ako rito. Antayin ko munang umatras ito. Alright guys, ayan. Okay. Tara. Shoot na natin yung mga bagay-bagay doon. Larga na tayo. Tama-tama, nalagyan pala nila ng barikada. Pag de-deliver ko nito, sasabihin ko na lang ulit sa kanila. Yan lang. Secure natin to. Doblein natin guys. Mahirap na, baka mamaya matumba pa. Nandito na rin lang naman tayo eh. Secured natin. Alright, fully secured. Tapos ito, dito lang ito. Wala nang pupuntahan yun dyan. Pag mag-deliver ako, alisin ko ulit yan. Ibaba ako bago ako matras sa dock nila. Para sa boss to ng torque eh, kaya yan. Wala nang pupuntahan yan. Alright guys, secured na natin to. Kan natin ng kandado. Wala nang pupuntahan yan. Alright guys, ayan. Loaded na tayo, let's go. Dry naman to, hindi natin kailangan buhayin yung ating reaper. Alright you guys, ayan, loaded na tayo, let's go na. So, papaano, putulin ko na muna yung video vlog natin dito guys, no. kita-kita na lang siguro tayo sa susunod na video vlog natin sa Valentine's Day. Nandun na ako sa bahay niyan. Kasi ang delivery nito is February 14 ng alas 11. Tama-tama andun na ako. Ingat kayo lagi, no? Once again, it's Lakay Trago here. Peace up, guys. Bye.
Lakay Tracker.